Here we have the OTC Dyhan DP400 pulse welding machine. We have set this machine up for aluminum welding, DC wave pulse, which will allow optimum weld control, spatter-free welds with the best aesthetics for aluminum welding. Machine is very easy to set. We're setting amperage and a voltage adjustment and a wave pulse frequency of about 3.8. Now we're going to produce a fillet weld using 4043 filler metal, the soft filler metal, 0.45 diameter on a push-type gun only. You will see weld produced with no spatter with the aesthetic similar to TIG welding.